plug it into this.
What is that?
The BMP light test, we plug it into that, and I'm going to take the camera and go into the back and show you just how it works. Okay, brake light. Turn signals. Right turn signal, the other one. Left turn signal. Brake lights. Now the middle one. The hazard lights. And this make all your lights flash in case of an emergency. You're on the side of the highway. It flashes all your lights. And check your marker lights. And it check all the lights on your rig. So if you want to do some preventive maintenance, see all your lights is working. All of your lights. And it's preventive maintenance before you go on a trip. And all your lights is working, so you can check it and go out there and have a safe trip.